prodigy, prodigy, मतलब विलक्षण प्रतिभा. He is a prodigy in mathematics. Prodigious, prodigious, मतलब विशाल. They showed prodigious strength. Wholesome, wholesome, मतलब स्वस्थ. He eats wholesome food daily. Preponderance, preponderance, मतलब प्रबलता. There is a preponderance of evidence. Preeminence, preeminence, मतलब उत्कृष्टता. She gained preeminence in science. Deluge, deluge, मतलब बाढ़. Heavy rain caused a deluge. Progeny, progeny, मतलब संतान. He is proud of his progeny. Appraise, appraise, मतलब मूल्यांकन करना. The officer will appraise the property. Apprise, apprise, मतलब सूचित करना. Please apprise me of the changes. Accuse, accuse, मतलब आरोप लगाना. He accused him of theft. Indict, indict, मतलब आरोप लगाना. The court may indict the criminal. Verdict, verdict, मतलब निर्णय. The jury gave a fair verdict. Implicate, implicate, मतलब फसाना. He was implicated in the crime. Lucidity, lucidity, मतलब स्पष्टता. She spoke with lucidity. Meek, meek, मतलब विनम्र. He is meek by nature. Embrace, embrace, मतलब स्वीकार करना. He embraced the new idea. Perquisite, perquisite, मतलब विशेष अधिकार. He enjoys many perquisites. Ingress, ingress, मतलब प्रवेश. Entry is allowed through this ingress. Digress, digress, मतलब भटक जाना. Do not digress from the topic. Execrate, execrate, मतलब घोर निंदा करना. People execrate cruel acts.
In 1789, during the time of the French Revolution, a young boy named Louis Bernard lived in Paris. He was a prodigy, Vilakshan Pratibha, and everyone believed he had prodigious, Vishal Atyadhik, talent in mathematics and history. His teachers said that such preeminence, Utkrishtata Sarvochata in learning was very rare. Despite hunger and poverty, Louis always remained meek, vinamr, and kind, and he lived a simple life by eating wholesome, swasth paposhtik food. At that time, there was a preponderance, prabalta adhikta, of anger among the common people because the nobles enjoyed many perquisites, vishesh adhikar atirikt suvidhaएं, while the poor suffered. One year, heavy rain caused a terrible deluge, bard, in Paris, making life more painful. Many families struggled to protect their progeny, santan bacche, and save them from hunger. Louis decided to embrace, svikar karna, by apnana, the idea of revolution and work for justice. He joined a group of young thinkers who secretly met near the ingress, Pravesh Marg Pond Pravesh Dwar, of an old building. Sometimes, during long discussions, they would digress, vishay se bhatak jana, from serious plans and talk about their sufferings. One evening, an officer came to appraise, mulyankan karna, the building, and a spy tried to apprise, Suchit karna, the king's men, about the secret meetings. Soon, many innocent people were accused, arop lagana, of rebellion. Some were even indicted. कानूनी रूप से आरोपित करना, without strong proof. The cruel verdict, निर्णय, of the court shocked everyone, and several innocent citizens were implicated. झूठे मामले में फंसाना, in false cases. Louis spoke with great lucidity, spashtata, and exposed the injustice. His clear words gave courage to the people, and they began to execrate, ghor ninda karna, the cruelty of the rulers. Slowly the voice of the people became stronger, and hope spread across France. Thus the brave boy became a symbol of truth, justice, and freedom during the Great French Revolution. एक बार देखो, बार बार सुनो. याद रखने का सीधा मंत्र, रिवीजन है सबसे बड़ा तंत्र। डेली अपडेट्स के लिए अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और लर्निंगपुर परिवार से जुड़ें। सीखना अब आसान और मज़ेदार।